The PRO-MASTER-T4X4H 5-axis 3D CNC milling machine is designed to help furniture factories machine complex 3D parts more easily, more accurately, and with less manual work. Many workshops face problems such as slow production, repeated setups, unstable cutting, and uneven product quality when making curved or multi-surface parts. This machine solves those issues by using 5-axis machining for working heads and to working tables, allowing multiple parts to be processed at the same time. With a strong machine frame, reliable CNC control, and stable spindle system, the PRO-MASTER-T4X4H runs smoothly even during long working hours. Operators can load material on one table while the machine works on the other, reducing waiting time and improving daily output by improving accuracy and reducing human error. This machine helps factories save labor, shorten production time, and keep product quality consistent. The PRO-MASTER-T4X4H is a practical solution for factories that want stable production, reliable results, and long-term growth.
Đáng mở ra à? Cái lúc đầu tiên mọi người